Hello everybody, BFDIFan5 here. Today I'm going to be reacting to Cherry and Ella's Snowplay. It's a recent video by Nicely Pops, which some fans might know, including me, because I guess I watched this before. I just took a glimpse at her videos, like that. But I'm going to react to this recent video released by Nicely Pops. So, yeah, and even a trigger warning includes, yeah, you know that, huh? So yeah, and my volume, yeah, perfect. It's at half because, sorry, I'm just tired. I just threw away the trash running so fast. I just put at half volume because I do not want my family hearing me. I'm watching these sort of stuff because they might think I'm very weird and I might get in trouble for that. So yeah, let's get on with the reaction video, shall we, everybody? Here we go. Yeah. Right. Oh, the snowman looks good. Of course, it's kawaii. I agree with Ella. It is the best. I'm in Los Angeles, so it doesn't even snow in here. I wish I experienced snow. I never experienced snow before, but even though I experienced snow once, but I never experienced all the time. I'm not in one of those snow USA states. But I really wish I would visit snow mostly all the time. Well, I agreed with that. And Sophia right here, she's cute. I would agree with Sophia. These two do look good for winter. And Sophia as well. I agree with Ella. Of course, kawaii, Cherry. It's kawaii. Aww, where's Sophia? She's cute. Oh my god. Aww, the glasses are adorable. Does anyone want to snow fight? Ooh, if I was part of it, I would like to. You better not hit me in the... Oh, face. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, I accept it. Oh! Oh! What's going on? Oh. It's Devil Rolls. Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh. Mask reveal. I mean, face reveal. I'm talking about mask. Never throw snowball again. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Very sorry. Yeah, it's an accident. Playing snowball fight. Exactly! Just don't do it, please. Be a kind friend. Be a kind friend. If she doesn't like snowball fights, don't play with her in the snowball fights. Be careful is correct! Yeah, she doesn't like snowball fights, I'm pretty sure. Exactly. Yes, it was. Oh wait, I didn't know she's a fan of Nicely Pops. Tell you what. Yeah. When she's in good mood, we'll let you meet her. Yeah. Too nervous? Yeah, just take time to calm down. Yeah. Oh! Oh no. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, another one. Oh, Sophia. It's okay. You're good. You're good. 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 Nothing to be embarrassed about. Come on. It's nothing, but it's giving me whatever this is. It's kind of giving me... Yeah, you know what it's giving me, bro. Those sounds, you know what it gives me. Yeah, well, what I find, when it comes to stomach growls, you know what happens. Okay. You try to guess it yourselves, but if you guessed it, then come on, don't be too surprised or don't be too cringed out because oh damn. my. Okay. Ow, my. You know what's happening again. I know what's happening again with me. Oh, whoa. Yo, look at. Yo, oh my goodness. Oh my. Yo! Yo! Oh damn. Oh my god. I feel like my I know you know what my what is happening. And yeah, I agree with that one. Yeah. Oh, is that the end? I think that's the end. Oh. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh. That's the end? I'm pretty sure that's the end. All right, everybody, it's the end. Oh my God, what am I watching more? What is this video? What is this video?
So I asked ChatGPT.
What is this video? ChatGPT now. I don't want ChatGPT.
You are in so much trouble, Donald. You are starting to piss me off.
Talon.
You better tell me the truth. Why did you kiss my girl?
Not the Talon video, bro.
What did I tell you about cussing? What did I freaking tell you? You're not freaking so used to being done.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why is my nose running right now, bro? The drowning! Oh my God.
Freaking duck! If I catch you,
It's a dog. No, it's a duck, not a dog.
What is your problem?
Come on, we're watching this video.
What the hell is going wrong here? Goofy, Donald, don't shut your mouth, man. Opposite and Taurus got too far, man.
Alright, that might be the end of the video, everybody.
I
I will see you next time in the next reaction video.
don't know,
Goodbye.
Mr. Krabs.